Samsung is stepping up its foldable game in 2025, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be its biggest upgrade yet. With a sleeker design, bigger battery, faster charging, and better durability, this might just be the flip phone we've all been waiting for. Let's start with the most noticeable change, the cover screen. Samsung is finally increasing it to 4 inches, a big jump from the 3.4-inch display on the Z Flip 6. This puts it on par with Motorola's Razr 50 Ultra, making the device far more functional without having to flip it open. The main display stays at 6.8 inches, but what remains uncertain is whether Samsung will upgrade the cover screen's refresh rate. Until now, it's been stuck at 60 Hz while competitors are pushing 120 Hz, so this could be the year Samsung finally catches up. Durability is getting a major boost as well. Samsung is introducing an all-new hinge design that promises to be stronger than ever. More importantly, the phone will feature new dust-resistant brushes inside the hinge, raising the possibility of the first dust-proof foldable. The Z Flip 6 had IP48 dust and water resistance, but it wasn't particularly effective. If Samsung has truly figured out how to prevent dust from creeping inside, the Z Flip 7 could be the most durable foldable they've ever made. Performance is another area where Samsung is making smart decisions. Despite rumors that they might switch to an Exynos processor, internal reports confirm that the Z Flip 7 will stick with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This ensures top-tier performance without the concerns that typically come with Exynos chips. That said, there's still speculation that Samsung could introduce a more affordable Z Flip Fan edition, which might feature an Exynos processor instead. Battery life has always been a weak point for Samsung's foldables, but they're finally addressing it. The Z Flip 7 will pack a 4,300 mAh battery, a noticeable improvement over last year's 4,000 mAh. Samsung is also introducing a larger vapor chamber for better cooling, ensuring the phone runs more efficiently during heavy use. The major letdown, however, is fast charging. After years of sticking with 25 watts charging, even while some of its budget models offered faster speeds, Samsung may offer same charging speed as predecessors. With all these upgrades, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be a major leap forward. A bigger screen, better battery life, improved durability, and not so faster charging make this the most refined version yet. If you've been waiting for a flip phone that delivers in every category, this might be the one. But if you need a phone right now, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is still one of the best options available and is currently offering great deals. Is the Z Flip 7 the upgrade you've been waiting for? Let's hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care.